Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making black bean rice. Here's the list of ingredients. You can take a screenshot if you want to make this delicious recipe. We start off by adding 1/4 of a cup of olive oil to a heated pan. We added white onion, crushed garlic. Immediately the aroma that this gives off is just wow, yummy. We're gonna add some salt. Give it another stir. You want to make sure to keep the temperature relatively low. You don't want to burn the garlic. We add diced green bell peppers. Continue stirring. And then you're going to let that reduce to about half. I already previously heated 4.5 cups of water with the black beans in a pressure cooker for 25 minutes. You want to go ahead and strain the liquid out, separate the beans, and in a rice maker we're going to add 3 cups of white rice. We're going to add in our sofrito mixture. You want to combine that mixture with the rice, add the remaining salt. We're going to add in cumin powder, complete seasoning. I'm going to rub the culantro leaves to give off their aroma. I'm also going to add some CACHUCHA peppers and split them open. We're going to add in 4.5 cups of the water we used to cook the black beans. Give it another stir. And you're ready to give it a taste test. Check the seasoning. I added a little bit more of salt. Close your lid, set to cook. Once it's done, you want to go ahead and fluff your rice. Be careful with the steam. You don't want to burn yourself. We're gonna add our black beans that have already been cooked. Distribute the beans throughout the rice. That's what I call yumminess. Ready to enjoy this delicious black bean rice.